In this video, I'm just trying to understand how to put Laravel and Vue.js together. In other words, understanding how to use Vue.js inside Laravel. I would like to point this out. I have Node and npm already installed in my application or in my system. I am using PHP Storm as my IDE. Then I would like to go ahead and pull down Laravel with Composer. I am already in my root directory. Let me issue Composer create project Laravel. I'll give it a name of Laravel and Vue.js. Hit enter. This might take a while. So Laravel has been pulled down. Laravel has been pulled down. Let me check it out in my IDE. That is my new or my fresh installation. So the folder structure, the vendor is there. Okay, now I will generate a key for the application with PHP Artisan. PHP Artisan key generate. So that is done. So go ahead and start Laravel application with PHP Artisan serve. I would like to pipe it to a different port. Let me give it 5007. So Laravel has started in this port. So that is it. I would love to use Laravel UI. That is why go back to my command line, create a new one, and run Composer require Laravel UI. That is done. Then I will issue PHP Artisan UI Vue -- off. So the next thing to do is to run npm install. Let me do it one after the other. Next thing is to run npm run dev. This will now compile the whole JavaScript on CSS code. Okay, it's normal step. I have to run it again to take effect. Great, done. If I now refresh the application, the login and register link appeared. Clicking on it. Although I'm not going to use this page for this series, but I just need the bootstrap. Continue in the next video. Now that I've set up the application,